The Team 2 trainer development officially begins with the cast member validation sheet. By now, you have selected your Team 2 candidate and have spent much time developing them towards this orientation.
It is imperative that you, the general manager, personally validate them in each of the following general sections, consisting of kid check, merchandise, restrooms, beverage bar, salad bar with U-Picks, running and busing, hospitality, and character. Then you or your area of impact manager must validate the candidate in any area that you wish them to train.
The Congratulations and I Am Team 2 pages are used to help the candidate evaluate themselves on the trainer attributes, as well as understand them further. Read each statement out loud and have the candidate tell you which attribute they think the statement refers to, keeping in mind that there might be more than one right answer. You will want to slow down and discuss each thoroughly, citing specific examples of each and why they're important aspects of being a great trainer. Then have the candidate rate themselves on that attribute.
Now here's Haley, one of our all-star Team 2s, describing how to demonstrate 2 examples from the I Am Team 2 page.
I love to teach. I know that there is more to training than the first few weeks. Training moments happen all the time, and I take advantage of every one. This is an example of the desire to train attribute. I rate myself as an A because I love to train. I know our training program. I prepare for all training sessions. All materials are current and available. I am all about NCO. This is an example of the organization attribute. I would rate myself as a B because I need to arrive a few minutes earlier to set up and be totally prepared for my training shift.
Awesome job, Haley. Again, learning's not just knowing the answers, it's understanding the reasoning behind those answers, and it's getting others around you and understand them as well. At this point, you and the Team 2 candidate will watch the guest vision video.
Let's talk about the beverage bar portion of the video. What stood out to the guest?
They thought that it was so clean. I never really thought about how important that is if you have kids.
Great. Do you think that we could do better at keeping our beverage bar clean?
Yeah, sometimes on a busy Saturday, the floor gets wet and everyone just walks right by it.
Exactly. We talked about your great communication skills. How do you think that you can use these to correct this behavior?
Can you see the importance of asking questions and really getting feedback from the candidate? Make sure that they understand each concept before moving on.
The next step on the TEL sign-off sheet is discussing our goal as a whole, and that's building sales by making sure that every guest leaves happy through an immaculate facility, a flawless and consistent product, and of course, magical hospitality.
It is imperative that you drive these points home because making sure that every guest leaves happy is the entire reason we're here.
After this discussion, you'll need to give the candidate the assignment of studying for and passing the cast member tests orally, focusing on the whys as well as the whats of training. The reasons for passing this test in this manner are twofold. First of all, it ensures the candidate actually understands the answers. It's not just memorizing them. And secondly, they will at some point be asked by future cast members the answers to the tests, and they need to be able to respond knowledgeably.